Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 5 and today I'm going to show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. First we need to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now we can scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the connectivity menu or option and tap on it. Then find the Wi-Fi and tap on it. And here scroll down and find the list of saved networks. So tap on save networks. And here we have the list of networks that are saved on our watch. And if you want to disconnect from the specific network, you can simply tap on the network, tap on forget, and the network will be removed from the list. And once it's not on the list of saved networks, it will basically your watch won't be able to connect to it anymore, basically. That's how it works, which makes it disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. You can also just turn off the Wi-Fi if you want to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network temporarily. But if you want to do it permanently, you need to remove it from the list of saved network right here. And once you're done, you can press the crown button, and that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.